Hello, and welcome back to the instructional video collection for Web 111, Introduction to Web Graphics. In the last video, we started to learn how to edit a photo. In this video, I will show you how to save that photo for use on the web. I'll also show you how to take a look at from the web. Let's go ahead and reset the essentials and the tools, because that's important to do before starting any project. Now, when saving files for use on the web, you're more than likely going to be compromising between the quality of the display and the file size. You don't want it to take a long time for the images to display, but you want to maintain the integrity of the image too. I'm going to show you how to optimize both. Let's get started with saving a file for use on the web. Notice I still have the Cyclist edited 3.psd file open. From the menu bar, click File, Save for Web and Devices. Notice I'm not clicking on Save As, but Save for Web and Devices. It's a little large, so reduce the size, maybe to about 15% to see 4 different options in this dialog box. Now you could select 2 up to see 2 different options, etc. I go with 4 because it gives you more options. And I can't tell a whole lot of difference, just a little bit. So I'm going to select this top right one because it looks the best to me. And it doesn't look like it will take that long to display. So I select it, and now I'm going to click Preview. Awesome. It looks pretty good. And you have the HTML code as well for all of you web designers out there. You know you'll need that. So let's close this since it looks good and go back to Photoshop. Now let's save the file. And we're going to need to save this in a folder because there's actually more than one file for this image. So I'm going to create a new folder, excuse me. I've saved the name as Cyclist edited 3.html, and I'm selecting the format as HTML and images. If you just wanted the image, you could select image only. If you wanted HTML, you could select HTML only. I'm going to do both. Save. So there you have it. That wasn't too difficult. This concludes the third video, which we learned how to save a file for use on the web. Check out the next video in this series that will walk you through using layers. Thanks.